Hey everyone, this is Kenny here, and now today I'm actually in Bukit Bintang. I want to go to Damascus to try their Syrian cuisine. This restaurant is conveniently located right beside the MRT Bukit Bintang station. Okay, there you come out MRT Bukit Bintang Gate E. That's Damascus. So let's go. So I'm going to check out some Syrian food today at Bukit Bintang, Damascus. It has many branches, but this is the Bukit Bintang branch. Walking distance to Pavilion. So this is the side waiting area for you to dine in if there's too many people inside. The restaurant architecture is amazing. The moment you step into the place, it's like walking into the Middle East. Look at the deco. So I got seated on the first floor. You can either take the lift or the staircase. But I'm going to take the staircase because it's so beautiful. Look at this. The decorations, everything. Oh, this is the room where you have a big group. Look at the chandeliers, my god. And the decoration, the porcelain. Beautiful, man. Chandeliers. I can't get enough of the chandeliers. So now we are on the first floor. Look at the chandeliers. These kind of corners are beautiful. Very photogenic. Okay. So Turkish, yeah, Turkish again. The inspiration. Can't get enough of how beautiful that place is. Later I'll show you the whole restaurant. It's filled with so many beautiful decorations. Let's take a closer look at all this from Arab. Look at the chandelier. You're allowed to sit and take photo here if you want. Look at the art on this. How do we even eat on these beautiful plates? I think it's meant for sharing. I'll just show you the wall without going down. Just to see how it looks like. I'm already on the first floor. Not many people on the first floor, but it's good. The seats, so comfortable. Really so comfortable, very nice dining experience. Let's have a look at their menu. Story here. Syrian. So we are in a Syrian inspired restaurant. Syria, Damascus, Syria. Damascus is actually the capital of Syria, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. So they have salads, they have cold appetizers, hot appetizers. I think I'm gonna get something just for myself. I can't pronounce this tagini, I can't pronounce. Something more local to their Moklaba. I've heard of this dish. I forgot what it is. Butter chicken with bread. I eat a lot of breads, huh? I'm thinking of getting the kebab. Sorry, the shawarma. So this is the one I'm getting. We'll get this, yeah, and go with the hummus. Oh, there's a creamy shawarma also, western shawarma. drinks. Oh, okay, there's a teapot. Turkish coffee. Okay, this one is I want to try Turkish coffee. Yeah, the rest I think behind is quite standard. Oh, baklava. Okay, kunafa and baklava are desserts. They are local desserts, but this baklava looks good. Okay, done. Let's order. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So this is my sugar, I presume. Alright. Look at how pretty the coffee is. Still can't get over it. This is my sugar here. Let's try. This, ladies and gentlemen, is hummus. Hummus, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Served with bread. Okay. So cold appetizer served with bread. Look how pretty it is. Chickpeas actually. I'm supposed to take the bread and eat with the hummus. Let's try. So here's my chicken shawarma. It comes with a set with the French fries, a bit of hummus here, cucumber, carrots, and the thing is that I'm given a chili sauce if I want to add some spices to my shawarma. That's interesting. Let's try. So this is how the shawarma looks like. Looks like a kebab, right? So you can just wrap it up, just eat. I personally would like to start with the coffee first. Right? Wow. The coffee, right, is different from the one that I used to say. There is some spices in there. Actually, you know, some spices in there. I know what spices they put. I can't detect. But it's very strong. Very strong. With spices. No wonder they give you the sugar. So you might, if it's too strong for you, you can add sugar. But I kind of like it with the spices. Really nice. I have the shawarma here with me. It tastes good by itself. I'll try to dip it. So I dip it in the hummus. There is a chicken shawarma. You can see the layer there. But there's chicken between. You can see the chicken is there. Wrap it up. And see, if you want, put some mustard. To me, right, it tastes great. It tastes really delicious, even without adding anything else. And then just like that. I could just have it just like that. But of course, it's up to you. Good job. I've unwrapped the bread. It reminds me a lot of those the naan, like naan bread. It's a variation of naan bread. I don't think it prepared in the tandoori clean now, of course. So it's supposed to eat the hummus with this bread. Okay? Let's try. Prepare the bread. Oh, there's a pouch here. Okay. So you can, I think you can either put inside or tear, it's up to you. But let me just tear some for it. Dip some olive oil on top. They use chickpea beans. This one is they use the chickpea beans. And you can actually taste the beans. It's a appetizer, so it's supposed to start off with this. Nice. Really nice. I like it. So for dessert, I got their mixed pistachio baklava. I was told that it's sweet. Let's try it. Never seen this before. So we start with this. So pistachio, huh? Pretty. Good. You can actually taste the peanut, the pistachio. But this one is not too sweet, so it's okay. Another one, the baklava, because I ordered a mixed one, so there's 5 different pieces on it. So the next one is this. So I think it's a very interesting kind of dessert actually. Maybe the original one might not be too sweet. Okay, it's not I say it was okay, not that sweet, but the black color one, that one is really sweet. The others are okay. Maybe the original one is not this sweet. So because you mentioned you love sweet stuff. So I think they've already modified this to suit the Malaysian palate. I would love to try the original one if I have the opportunity to set foot in Damascus, Syria. Okay? So if you're around the corner and if you are looking for something different around the Syrian food, I love the shawarma. I like the shawarma. I saw you can actually just take away. I understand I'm just going to take away good shawarma. And you want to experience some Turkish food and the coffee is strong. I like it. Do come to Damascus in Bukit Bintang. You can get here by MRT, stop at MRT Bukit Bintang. Come out straight away right at the entrance to MRT Bukit Bintang station. So this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Just to clarify a little, just now I spoke to the staff mentioned the baklava, right? They purposely make it sweet because you are supposed to eat together with the coffee. The coffee is strong spice, so baklava is usually taken with the coffee to maintain the balance. So there you go. See how that's how the choice is. Just gonna take leaf down since I came up with the staircase. Wow, even the design leaf. Oh, they have 4 floors. Wow, it's a really big restaurant, man. Look at this. This design of the leaf also looks so exquisite. I like the floor decor. Look at that. Beautiful. More hosting. This is downstairs ground floor. It's like stepping into a Turkish spa, you know? It's a waterfall. This decoration is really amazing. Islamic art. Look at the pieces. This one is where the coffee was served just now. Cutleries, the decoration on the table. The colors on this really is beautiful. This is a dining area, typical dining area here. I like how the details they have. This is a pillar decorated with lots of kitchenware. Beautiful, man.